So here we go. For 17, oops, we got to get my marker back. Okay. So for 17, we're going to graph, and they call this A, 3 plus 5i. 18, we're going to put it as point B, and that was what? -5 plus 2i. And then 19, we're going to call it a C, which was 7 minus 3i. Okay, so I'm going to make a graph. I know the one on your paper is so much nicer. So remember, the first number, the I that doesn't have a number is X, and then Y has an I. So here you're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is where A would be. Okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Here's where B is. Okay? And then 7, -3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And there is your C value. Okay? Gotta admit, graphing is kind of fun. It's like the good old days. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so number 21. Oh, it should be number 20. So, yeah, they didn't teach counting numbers in college. So this is point at an angle of east, 80 degrees south. Okay. At a force of 160 newtons. So first things first, we got to get this into an angle form. So we're going to go east first, and then we're going to go south. Okay. So the question is, what angle am I touching? So it's 90, 180, 270, or 360. So the answer is 360. And you see I'm short by 80 degrees. Okay, so that means I'm going to subtract, and I get 280. So now all we're going to do is x equals, what was my value? 160, my magnitude, cosine of 280. And I'm going to type this into my calculator, and I get 27.8. And then y, we're going to do the same thing, but don't forget this one is a sine, 280. And we get a negative 157.6 there. Okay. Then, I guess that's true of the 21. And then this is number 22. Oopsies. I hit the edge. Sorry. Okay. So we got north 80 degrees east. Okay. So we're going to go north, then east. Okay, so I'm touching 90, but I'm short of 90. Okay, so we're going to do 90 minus 80, and I got 10 degrees. So x equals 90 cosine of 10, and I got 88.6, and then y is 90 sine of 10, and we get 15.6. And because it's only one vector, we're done. I know what you're thinking. It can't be this easy, but really, it is. Okay. Number 23. So we're going to turn 3 and 9 into a polar form. So first things first, we're going to find magnitude. Oops. Came off my pad. So we're going to take 3 and square it, plus 9 and square it. Okay. And then we're going to get 9.5. Now, we've got to get the angle. So this is where we're going to do inverse tangent. Y over x. Now, because this is in quadrant 1, we don't have to do anything extra, and we get 71.6. Okay, so to pull this into a polar form, 9.5 cosine of 71.6 plus I sine of 71.6. Okay. Or you can do the short version, 9.5 CIS 71.6. Okay. So 24 is negative 5 and 4. So we're going to find magnitude.
Where'd you get these little stars?
Hold on. So sorry about that. I had to help another teacher. Okay. So we were finding the magnitude. So we're going to square the 4 as well. And then I'm going to type that into my handy dandy little calculator. And I get 6.4. Now, oopsies. Okay, here we go. So now inverse tangent y over x of 4 and negative 5. Now notice here, quick little sketch, negative 5, 4, I'm in quadrant 2, and we know in quadrant 2 we have to add that 180 degrees, okay? And when I type that on my calculator, I get 141.3 degrees. So the answer is 6.4 sine of 141.3 plus I sine of 141.3. Okay. Cool. Okay. 25. Oopsies. So 25 is negative 1, negative 7. Okay. So again, let me just reiterate the importance of putting parentheses around these numbers, and especially the negative ones, because if you don't, your calculator is going to scream at you. So we get 7.1 inverse tangent of y over x. Now notice here, what quadrant am I in? So negative, negative. So I'm in 3, so we're also going to add 180. Okay. And I get, oopsies, 261.9. So here we go. So it's 71. Maybe writing too fast. Cosine, oh darn. Okay. Sorry, 71 cosine of 261.9 plus I sine of 261.9. Okay. I hope this is helping. I will see you on the very last video for the review shortly. Bye, guys.